Late afternoon clouds turned into a cloudy evening for us. Live look from a Bob Mills Furniture Skyline weather camera. Temple, you're looking at cloudy skies through much of the evening tonight. We'll go with a partly cloudy, breezy forecast. Southeast winds are going to continue 10 to 15 miles an hour and gusty. 73 should be our overnight low. It's going to be a very humid start to the day. We had very heavy dew this morning, and very likely you're going to see the same thing repeated tomorrow. Saw a lot of reports of fog early this morning. You could see a few patches of fog first thing tomorrow as well. We'll go with a cloudy sky morning, but the afternoon turns to at least partly cloudy conditions. It's going to be hot and humid, high of 96 with a heat index of 104. Winds will be out of the south around 10 to 15 miles an hour, kind of gusty at times. At the airport, we hit 97 this afternoon. That's not a record, but very common across the area. 96 in Robinson. Thanks to Randy Vassar for checking in with us. Our weather watcher in Groesbeck is Debbie Fulmer. She saw 97 degrees at her place. And in Lampasas, Joe Spivey reporting 98 degrees at her home there in Lampasas. Right now, you look at the cloudy skies across the area. We've been watching some rain out across the northern portions of the Texas Hill Country, up back over towards Goldthwaite, San Saba, almost into Lampasas. We got a few sprinkles as well. That's all come to an end now, but it was kind of a little bumpy ride there for a little while. Nothing of severe consequence, but we saw the potential for some small hail and some rather gusty winds. You're looking at 85 over in Falls County and Marlin now, 84 in Cameron, 85 in Temple at this hour. Waco reporting 86, 84 right now in Gatesville, and 82 degrees in Lampasas with cloudy skies. Going to go 86 degrees with the air temperature now 59% relative humidity and a south-south wind at 10 miles an hour. The barometer is at 29.83 and it is rising. The big story continues to be that Category 5 hurricane sitting down on the Caribbean right now, just skirting across the northern shores of Puerto Rico. Maria likely will be downgraded to a Category 4 and then a Category 3 as she kind of brushes the extreme eastern shores of many of the islands of the Bahamas chain and stays well offshore from the U.S. coast. At least that's the forecast right now. But this is a monster storm that we're going to be keeping a very close eye on for our neighbors down to the south for several days to come yet. A little trough of low pressure out west is going to make its way towards us, keeping the atmosphere unstable at times. We could see a few showers, but not enough of a rain chance for me to even include it on our forecast graphic here. It would be embarrassing to call it a 20% chance because it's just not even that good. So if you get a sprinkle tomorrow, that's great. Otherwise, don't hold your breath waiting for rain. It's liable to be early next week before we see much in the way of any shower activity around central Texas. Channel 6 7-day forecast brings in autumn on Friday morning, finally. And it looks like good football weather for us on Friday evening, although still a bit warm. Nice weather on Saturday for the Baylor game as well, albeit a little bit warm as well. That's going to continue into early next week when we finally see a front coming in to knock down these temperatures a little bit and give us a shot at some rain.
All right, Andy, thank you very much.